Man, guys, the trees are touching the ground. We're going back to inspect the damage. I see stuff behind the shed. I'm seeing things. Oh boy. Man. Oh my. Wow. The neighbor's house though. Not his house, the barn. Holy shit. He's got trees down on his barn. Look at this, guys. Whole cluster of trees uprooted. Went straight into his barn. And over there's trees down everywhere. Man. Power's gonna be out for a while. All the trees. Oh man. The whole everywhere is just covered with down trees. Everywhere you go. It's kind of nice out, but it's cold. We're gonna take you guys up the road. We want to figure out where the power is out. You guys see this power line right here? I can almost touch it with my hand. That's how weighted down it is going to our house. I can literally damn near touch it, half a foot away from my hand. It's crazy. Damn. Door won't even shut on my side-by-side. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, I'll have to get closer. My damn door won't shut. So if I look that way, the whole road's blocked off. If I look that way, there's tree branches down. The road's like halfway. It's not even a road, it's all blocked off. I see power lines are down through the woods there. I see power lines down everywhere. This is not cool. All right. So you got trees down here. You see they put yellow tags on the trees. Just because there's a power line tangled up in it. You don't want to drive across the road there because you'll get electrocuted if it's live. But the whole woods, everything's down. See my light bar on my roof? That's how deep the ice is. I got half a foot of ice on the side-by-side. It hardly moved. So I think this is it for me. I literally can't even go 100 feet down the road without power lines being down, and I don't want to drive across them, so I'm gonna turn around and head back, and hopefully we can get some heat going in the house. And my door won't even shut, so it's kind of a pain in the ass, but we're gonna have no power probably for a week or two, so that sucks. The winds are blowing. This ain't good. The wind's picking up big time. You guys hear that crackling? Oh boy, we're in for it. All right guys, I had to get the quad out. Let's see what's up down here. Way down to the ground. Oh my God. Holy crap, guys. Kind of beautiful, I ain't gonna lie, it looks like a movie. Oh man. Road's blocked off. I think I can get through. We'll try it. Oh yeah. We got through, guys. That's why I didn't bring the side-by-side. I didn't think we'd make it. Put the camera down, I'm gonna have to give it the beans. She doesn't want to move. Man. Power line's pinched into a V. See a tree down on the middle? Pinched it right to the ground. Look at all the trees, they're just all folded, all of them. Crazy. Like I said, power ain't gonna be on for like a week, maybe even more. I have no clue. The power line's down 10 spots just on our road, so I have no clue how long it's gonna take for them to get it on. And unfortunately, we don't have a generator either, so I don't even know. Don't know what to say about this. Birch tree snapped in half there. See, the power line's right there. The tree just barely missed it. But the power lines are only 10 feet off the ground. They're hanging low, they are weighted down. Kind of beautiful. It's amazing under the canopy. All the trees are covered with ice. They're all icicles. There's another one. I'm trying to find it. It's right there. Power line's destroyed. It ripped it right off. Whole road's blocked off pretty much. Only a four-wheeler can get through here. And you look in the woods there's just trees everywhere. Everywhere I can see, just trees down. Well guys, that sums it up for this video. It's only getting worse. The wind's starting to pick up. So this will be it for videoing, and we'll be roughing it for the next week or so. Maybe even longer, who knows. It's pretty bad. But thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CNH Power Sports, and hopefully we'll be back to getting you some bangers in just a little bit. Well, I was gonna upload this video, but nature had other problems. I guess it's got problems with it. Oh, nature does not like us. Whole tree. Yup. I was uploading the video. I'm probably gonna wait until all the damage is done. This is... wow. Look at that, right in the backyard. It is windier than all get out. Wow. Ooh. All right, so earlier we just had one of them down on the hay bales. Now there's another down on the bales. Oh, it's like 60-mile-an-hour wind. Oh my God. Gale force winds, guys. I'm trying to get one on camera for you guys. That'd be great. Really want to get one on camera. I don't want to get crushed though. There she goes, timber! Damn! That fucker's big. Oh, we got a dip, dude. We're gonna get crushed. Whoa. I ain't gonna lie, guys. This is not gonna end well. The whole yard's already covered with trees, so I'm gonna try not to get crushed by one. I might want to move my truck. I'm not sure, but we'll keep you posted. Well, I went to move my truck away from the trees, and we debeated the tire. So it looks like it's staying here. Hopefully God's watching out for it. Bunch of trees, dead trees right next to my truck. So as long as God watches out for it, hopefully she'll be good. So that sucks, but it is what it is. We just gotta pray that trees won't take down my truck tonight. Well, guys, it's been 3.5 days, no power. Everything snowed in. We had a nasty blizzard. So, CNH old fashioned, we went and picked up a generator, guys. We went and bought a generator. So, will it run? So, I bought this from my old boss. We got to see, or I didn't buy it, my dad did. We're gonna see if it's got oil. It's a little bit black. Could probably use a change. At least there's some in here. 5200 watt. Big Mac Daddy, big old fuel tank on the top. What a big hoss. Look at this thing. It's a big bitch. It's got one hell of a generator on it. It's like a foot wide. So I gotta learn how to work this thing, and we'll see if she runs, guys. We'll see. I don't know. I'll get back with you when we get it running. Be sweet if it runs, because we really need it. All right, guys. Got the carburetor off, and got it in the Chem Dip bucket. She's been soaking in the sauce for a little bit. We're drying it all off. And look at brand new once you blow it off. get all that chem dip off there. It'll be brand new and should run good. So get back with you guys once it's back on. All right, guys, so carburetor's all cleaned and back down there. I don't want to put the air box on until I know it runs good. The original recoil broke. Somehow the one off my 55-year-old snowmobile fits it perfectly, so that's crazy. An old, really old recoil. Somehow it bolted right on, which is insane, but the original recoil snapped, so that's quite an upgrade having a snowmobile one, because they don't snap like the thin ones do that come with this thing. So I'm gonna turn the gas on, and this son of a bitch should run. I don't know. I'll get back with you guys once it's running, because this is gonna probably be a bitch to start, I'd imagine. So can't do it all with one hand. It runs, guys. It runs. Thank God we've been out of power for 4 days now, and we don't think it's coming back on anytime soon. So thank God. Thank you. Yes. I can't believe the snowmobile recoil fits. The old one broke immediately because it's made out of plastic, but oh, thank God. We needed this in our life. Thank you. Yes. Well, guys, this is about it for the ice storm. The power came back on. Our power was out for about 4 days total. I would estimate somewhere around there. And yeah, the damage is crazy. We're gonna have some cleaning to do, but it's warm out now. The storm's passed. You know, just another day. We'll make it through it. You know what I mean? So, catch you guys in the next CNH video. I know this one's a little bit different, but there's a little bit of generator repair for you guys. But yeah. Peace out.